What's going on? This is Markie and welcome to my channel regarding online certification courses. Allow me to break down these courses and what they consist of. This is a channel we can learn a new skill set or brush up on an old one. Continuous education and improvement should always be a priority if you want to stay current in your field of work and plus get paid your worth. So let's get started. The driving force in the field of work today is of course AI. But trying to figure out which avenue to take when it comes to AI tools can be a bit of a headache. Do you want only to stay current to your job-related functions, or do you want to branch out and cover some other bases just in case the company goes left? Mastering AI tools shouldn't be a mess, but a one-stop learning center where you get all that you need to know. Depending on the field of work, do you know any experience many different type of AI functions, or very few, and some may have nothing to do with you? So how do you stay on top of your game when it comes to mastering AI tools? Here's a couple suggestions. Try practicing regularly with hands-on projects that stimulate real-world applications. Keep up with the latest AI development through industry publications, seminars, webinars, or workshops. Collaborate with others on AI projects to gain diverse perspectives and insight. This is also the way to share and gather information on many types of AI that are being used in your industry. When it comes to AI tool learning, you really need a one-stop shop versus being all over the place with different separate learning platforms. That's why I have this in the description below, an ebook that does just that. You'll simply learn AI basic and their future impact, explore AI-powered assistant, platforms, and apps for a better life, find tools in career growth and productivity. The ebook will explain how AI is changing the game in customer service, marketing, and e-commerce. In this 7-chapter ebook, it would explore some subject matters such as leveraging AI for personal growth, understanding AI basics, advanced AI tools, and future trends. The introduction walks you through the evolution of AI back in the 50s to the present day of the era of deep learning. It would also touch on industries AI is being integrated into when it comes to communication, healthcare, transportation, work and productivity, along with what AI is contributing to in those areas. So whether you're a professional seeking to stay ahead in your field, an entrepreneur looking to innovate your business, or a student eager to enhance your learning, this is the ebook for you. To all those who are passionate about entering this exciting field but have no prior experience, this ebook is still the go-to when it comes to getting started in this futuristic, lucrative career of AI. Many thanks for taking some time to check my tutorial out. All the links will be in the description below. Also have a website up and running, which is also Markie Williams Online Certification Courses. Please subscribe so you don't miss out on any training certification courses you may want to pick up. Comment below "done" and I will reply back. You can check me out on Facebook under Markie Williams. They'll also have an online certification page where you can like and follow as well. Please make sure you check out these thumbnails floating around right here, and always remember to get paid your worth. Many thanks. It's Markie Williams, and I'm out.